Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today is December 6, 2025, and we bring you the latest report from Lake State, Greater Pibor Administrative Area, and Unity State. The situation in some part of South Sudan remains tense, with report of revenge attack, cattle raiding, and ambush affecting local communities. Before we proceed with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Changfied County revenge killing. Let's start with Changfied County in Lake State, where tensions are high after a local youth leader was killed in a revenge attack. The incident happened on Thursday in Changfied town. Authorities have identified the victim as Makolbola Agok, a respected youth leader from the Pagor community in Mayas Payam. Officials believe the attack was carried out by a man from another community, Pan Sinyin community. This appeared to be revenge for the killing of a Pan Sinyin chief several months ago. William Kojikerjuk, the acting Minister of Information for Lake State, confirmed the death. He said security forces were sent to the area and have managed to control the situation from getting worse. He also said the suspected attacker is still on the run, but promised he would be brought to justice. The minister explained that the attacker acted knowingly outside the law, calling it a suicide mission. He reminded the public that the government and law are in place to handle such cases. However, Abraham Manyot Magar, an SPLMIU member of parliament for Changfied County, say the local government cannot fully protect the people. He said the killing happened near government offices, highlighting serious security gap. The members of parliament described the victim as an influential Galweng youth leader who managed young people in his community. He warned that tension between Pagor and Pansinyin communities are still high and that further violence could happen. He also criticized the state governor, Rin Twain Mabor, for focusing on national politics instead of local safety. Authorities have called for calm while an investigation continues. Revenge killing like this are common in South Sudan. They often happen because of historical dispute, competition over resources, and weak law enforcement. Traditional rules sometimes encourage revenge. We create cycle of violence that are hard to stop. Let's move on to Greater Pibor Administrative Area cattle raid. Next, we move to the Greater Pibor Administrative Area, where a local leader was killed during a cattle raid. The attacker happened Thursday morning in Kot Char cattle camp located in Gumruk County. Jacob Wershumjuk, the Greater Pibor Administrative Area Minister of Information, said the raider came from neighboring Jonglei State and stole 88 of cattle. Local youth acted quickly. They chased the raider and managed to recover all the cattle, but sadly, one raider lost his life during the confrontation. Minister Juk called the attack dangerous for peace effort between the two regions and urged official investigation to prevent future raid. Border tension between Greater Pibor and Jonglei State are not new. Both areas have a long history of intercommunal violence, mostly over cattle and land dispute. When contacted, Simon Odul, Jonglei State Minister of Local Government, said his office has not yet received an official report on the attack. This incident highlights how fragile peace remains in these border areas. Young people often take justice into their own hands, which can lead to more losses. and retaliation. Let's move on to Unity State, Koik County ambush. In Unity State, South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF soldier or SSPDF officer, and his bodyguard were killed in an ambush in Koik County. The attack happened Wednesday while the men were traveling from their county to Koik County. Brigadier General John Jogdeng, Koik County Police Director, confirmed that army youths carried out the ambush. The attacker took a PKM machine gun and the bodyguard firearm. Authorities say the attack was led by Galwag Majok, who escaped from prison 9 months ago. Majok had been arrested in connection with the murder of War Manyang in Koch Market last year. The government is now searching for the attacker, who may try to join opposition force SPLM-IO. Names of the deceased have not yet been released. Security sources say tension in Koik County have risen since the SPLM-IO appointed Ben Makon Chan as its military commissioner for the area. This situation shows the unity still remains unstable and movement of army group continue to threaten local communities. Today report show that violence, revenge attack, and raid are still serious problems in South Sudan communities. In Lake State, Greater Pibor, and Unity State continue to face insecurity despite government effort. We urge all citizens to stay calm, cooperate with local authorities, and avoid taking the law into their own hand. That's all for today on Changfied News Update. If you want more updates, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest news. Bia Kamal Gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel ban rakitin kon lat Karodian. Baroy ke lerin kon inshallah kitin channel Gwasame kan kono ni am gorno jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mete mi bere Gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel ba sho mala shube keje. Tu kon ka ler di jitwo an wala shanka bakel ka paywaro ronkin dangro jandangro di diech bana right correctin kon shudi an la dor shal ke Lake State, Greater Pibor administrative area ke Unity State kanek diala kon chitwo rewi ka South Sudan ngay kon ti diala ti jakane dial ko bigatenial rewi ka South Sudan kon ngaji nang naro dien ka shoot chit ke reben killing gwami pay koktin kwa na kwa ka ambush de dop ni so ka kore bay report ban lingwas me men chalat bar right kemenan chitwo dor me ka shubet county dor jani ka Lake State yala den wone na take a local use leader me shana ke reben attack me chitwo chala den wone riga me to ke Thursday dor shal ka shubet ade kontila take a bomb ke authorities chicken Ramadan and chanek chicken identified ke shwale makol bola gok ajena wa kwer ngene muloske ka dor shal ka pagor community kama yas payam jen chala den wo shajenek Ramadan nek wa ramkel mete ka dor mi shal ka pan sinyin community milot mi chala do jen shere keri be nya ta ke chol kan ran ke je no wa ni de te pan sinyin chief wa chaje ne ko kor gwam mi chu medan ala kwerien kane juje mo wa jem dong na kan kwer ala kwer ngene ke jem William koji krijok ramkel min lalat Minister of Information ke Lake State jela no chire ga me chetok charan chaje ne kwer ngene no arana wa na ga je bon gwam tie ke gwa tu kumeten la kume SSPDF no shiramkel mi ran ji SPLIO wun mishala brem manyot mangar magar jen che logo lonko en kume nakaram me nakajen tieke de kine ne kudien no wa ju SPLIO kan ngum kan te kan gagang kan kume is failing to protect the community instead there ka protect wa chikana jaka vulnerable to the attack tin kon talk ko ngwede cha na ka wa cha de na dumutu kume teten bar wana ka je gwan mitiek ka dor kume ki ne tie ka kume ba nyen gwa dan chalat no diego jeno dong de ko loy kornyo ko gwasen be Ramadan en chiran chinek wajin choro da bar kana jekchu mentama bada wagwe jeno dong be retaliation be tin ngode dwal na re wisin winimi jen ngai kon no ko to ko ne chiang re twan to ko lerden banatin gwasen meni e ko dan ci to dor shal ke Greater People administrative area cikala do kene chaka nangok ci chop ko jen badaka chaka na gram kel ban jeling ler mane a greater people administrative area ngai konen go kanete la na la kan ka mengnishan but kajen report me che jojo gwan ken chakamak yaram kel ka ke chaje na krami momel jiwok waken karun wangalung ka chenga wan dorachal ke gumru county la ketel kem chala kutchar ketel kem che jojo gwan wonene dorachal ke gumru county mo cha jetegane ti jien chije ko werchum juk chejelat gen great people administrative area minister of information aram me jara do ne che tekana ti jien ka jongle state ti la jitie kada chikan wen winemi chaok ti jen badak cha kananga ken ka kore mi chingwane jelien ken ngwane murle wa shikarin korok jen gwada dana wa wudu mo wa jenekten no ka chukala dan wuchi kan ok dial jikan ka recover oxygen badak kan ikan ga lo jok cha ga lo re wuje mo la wujin chal ke great people administrative area minister juk chala do ne me beje long jene dangerous ka kui mal ka ki ka kui mal dan gor ke ngai kone mala ka ta ngene chiang bala ka ya dak ne tin kon la ngwane people administrative area chi great people administrative area chi kan ji jongle chi kan ga yode ka ri ga dan chi tuok you know chi ga right ka wuda diem chala Simon Odol jen jongle state minister of local government ka chi wuda me chalon jen hotel mi ngai ne kuin ne no mu dong te ne di shiwe can report can bin kane the same thing la lat ke ji great people administrative area mission ken chi ka ok chi kan banan ki chi kana nek mi jaw ti ke yo la kana deny la kala ro kuin ne you know yen chwa na chake ka chwa mi sha jen chwa jala but right now cha jong ke no kuin ne mandana chi tuok okay chi Dr. Chi Simon Odol jongle state minister local government say his office has not yet received an official report on the attack jenetelle report mi chi ben kake so ngai koneme waring mudida long ku tungwan ku kayar bala kona la rego ne ku me SSPD abu ngum chicken mechen kona la mech great people administrative area ngum chicken ga kebo ngum chicken ngani ken ga kebo ne ko the moment cha mech ngani murle cha ga keb jen the moment ba me dia la kona te ga jongle apnal unity state ken go dial to jen changa dan ba ga to ga kap kje ne di na ke lon kene to de shal ke ti imurlen ko kene kola na nagni shang nan kan no ka pe ken god so ne wan dol na lon ka ke wana ke unity state gwa mi shala no sha kwer sha je nak kan rami mo la body god ke ram ganga to gri ke me ka kosh kanti gwa mi sha ambu sha je latin ban jo me ban jeling tala do ne re wiki unity state South Sudan People Defense Forces officer in kene bodyguard wacha kana ka ambush ka coach county wa gwada maka na tino to ka changa doka jok gwan mi chala do ne cha ne ti jen to wa ka ler county no ti jen ka ler county ko ken ka coach county cha ka magan wena mo jen gwada na wa connected Brigadier General John Jogdeng, Coach County Police Director, Chair confirm no shara me charge nak netin kona nakana wa ke ngane te jel ka mech chikana chicken ka ambush wa chicken ma chal ke PKM chicken nang alai PKM machine kan chicken nang ka chicken bodyguard bo chicken mai de bo chicken nang chicken query chicken nak chicken bodyguard kan nang ne dangro kan nak chicken mechanic kan kanang ka jo mo chalat gwase me wa te galwa ma jok te tetin mi wa chiro da bar ka prison ke court pen dam man te chewe ma jogo wajen che jin wajen che ramshali war manyang che jenak ka koj market ka korun ge medane chewe no mi che jenak churo chubar awadi go jen yo no jen ramkel ka GSPLIO dio go jo jen ramkel ka GSPLIO no cha jo me cha jalat ramadana cha nakke korea nakene bodyguard kan shoot ken kan kalat so chari por mo cha jalat security so chikala do ne wa coach county wa tension te tenantama la na dia nyen kam SPLIO no kan ne ti koken the SPLIO appointed Ban Makonchan Ramadala military commissioner again cha kwantin when mo gwat chirike to tinu while the situation show that unity state remain unstable right now ko to kortigitin chirme shalingane so correct detalat korodian again gwada no gore de chongtin me ban yo jikale rodian people you know jin bi channel bi support ka bi notification bar bi twine ko video ko jala ko share ko bitin konto be kula mala jike bi atemal